Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a seamless way to onboard new employees, BambooHR is a powerful tool to automate the process and improve the employee experience. Today, we'll walk through how to use BambooHR for effective employee onboarding. Let's get started. Hashed 1. Setting up onboarding workflows. Once you log into BambooHR, head to the Onboarding section to create a structured workflow. You can customize onboarding checklists for different roles, assign tasks to HR, managers, and new hires, automate reminders to keep everyone on track. 2. Sending digital offer letters and e-signatures. BambooHR allows you to send offer letters digitally and collect e-signatures before a new hire even starts. This speeds up the hiring process and ensures compliance with company policies. 3. Organizing employee documents. All important paperwork, such as tax forms, contracts, and company policies, can be stored and accessed in the Documents section. Employees can upload and sign forms electronically, reducing manual paperwork. 4. Providing new hires with key information. Use BambooHR's welcome emails to introduce new employees to company culture, policies, and team members. You can also share handbooks and training materials, assign a mentor for a smoother transition, set up an introduction message from leadership. 5. Tracking progress and engagement. HR teams and managers can track onboarding progress with BambooHR's built-in reporting. The system provides insights on completed tasks and employee engagement to improve future onboarding experiences. 6. Integrating with other HR tools. BambooHR connects with payroll, benefits, and time tracking systems to make the transition seamless. Employees can set up their profiles, enroll in benefits, and access company resources all in one place. A well-structured onboarding process helps new hires feel welcome and productive from day one. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next one.